Hello folks, this is my second video from our YouTube. Sorry for my English again, and the video is about my auto jigglers that I bought for lockpickshop.com. Here I have a Mitsubishi Pajero. It looks old, it is old actually, but the lock is not too old. As you can see, it's with a mobilizer, see, and alarm system. This is my Pajero, and I'm going to try to unlock it with my auto jigglers. I didn't actually done it. My first time on this car. Oh, see? And done it with this key. See? As you can see, is locked. Okay, see, it's not turning. This is now, this is the other side of the car, and I'm going to try start the engine. This is my auto jiggler. As you can see, you can see it's locked. Can't turn it. Now try turn it. Oh, it's open. See? This is my key. You can't pull out the jiggler. You have to close the start. See? Okay guys, this is my second video. I'm Mitsubishi Pajero and my auto jiggler. Thank you. Bye.